In this video, I will show you how you can change the ringtone of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Over here, you will find the option for ringtone. Now just tap on it. Over here, just select the ringtone for your Samsung phone. For example, I will select this ringtone. Now if you have inserted two SIM cards in your Samsung phone, you will find the option for SIM 1 and SIM 2, and you can set a different ringtone for each SIM card. Now as you can see, we have selected this ringtone for our SIM 1, and if I select SIM 2, I will be able to select a different ringtone for our other SIM card. For example, I will select this ringtone. Now as you can see, this is the ringtone for our SIM 2, and this is the ringtone for our SIM 1. And if I go back, as you can see, we have successfully changed the ringtone on our Samsung phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.